welcome back everybody, and today we are on the Sarn Helen on the Roman road from Neath, and this is Wales's oldest road, 2,000-year-old, and today we're going to take it on. It's only open for 2 months of the year, so we're going to make the most of it and give it a go. Considering the track only gets used twice, twice a year, it's in good condition.
Great condition.
Bloody hell. We've got some kind of strange looking cattle grid that's been lifted. Something a bit different. Foot stuck in here now. Oh. What a beautiful evening. It's a spot on this is. Popped in from the silver disco. Hopefully that wasn't a tyre. Oh yeah. Come back.
Where are we going?
Up here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where that goes.
That looks good, doesn't it? Yeah, we go up that way. Yeah.
Do you want to jump out and you carry on?
Carry on, go on. Yeah, so I haven't driven this lane for over 10 years, 12 years, something like that. So been a while since we've done it. So yeah, it can be a bit awkward sometimes finding the right route, especially when they've got these little side tracks off. Wow, there is just so much colour. It's unbelievable. Like, it's perfect evening, the sun's coming down and the colours are just popping. Absolutely fantastic. I mean, it's absolutely epic. We really choose one of the best evenings for this kind of run, and we're lucky we did it. Nice, isn't it? That was good. I'll catch you up. Wow, now this is an incredible climb. Unfortunately, I've just missed the guys going up there because there's a big rock step up there. But we're going to watch Tom and Tim make their way up the top of this hill now, and hopefully we can make it all in one. Let's see how we get on with this.
Wait, film it.
Wow, it's a big climb there. Wow, this place is amazing. What a climb. I'm knackered.
Now just look at that, just take that in, look at the colours. You know what, it's incredible being able to go and explore like this on your doorstep. It's really, really good. And you know, this lane's only open for 2 months of the year, so we've made the right choice, the right day, the right time. Absolutely perfect. Really, really good. Views are just amazing. You know, when you come to the top up here, it's just unbelievable. Really high up, and the sun's dropping. It's getting a little bit cold.
So the views are absolutely amazing up here. These nice old tracks as well, the old stone walls. Makes it pretty special. There's no Romans here today. Well, we've got the sun on the side. It's a lovely evening, and we've still got a long way to go. These unusual cattle grids, pretty interesting. Make a good climb for vehicles.
Yeah, so it's about 8 o'clock at night now, and the temperature's starting to drop, and I can feel it already. I'm all in t-shirts, so I think it's going to get really cold in the next half hour to an hour or so. Let's see how they get on through that. Looks pretty swampy. Get over this side, I think. That's better. Very soft in there.
roof down. Very swish.
Oh,
Don't fall in the bog.
soft.
Top. Soft top.
Oh, very clever.
I stood over there, but that's like a bit awkward actually. Yeah. Should I get run over? Get a shot of Tim in the middle of the bog.
Yeah.
Wow, and here we go off into the woods now. This looks pretty incredible. Oh! He's dropped up. Look at him posing with his roof down. Hey. Absolute beautiful place up here. Absolutely fantastic. Really is. Tunnel. That's good, isn't it?
Take it, nice picture from the front, isn't it?
Yeah. That's beautiful. Oh, here's some rocks here.
Nice.
Nice.
First gear, little rains up.
Yeah, definitely. Wow, it's really, really, really nice. This route is just, that's fantastic.
Stunning.
Over 2,000-year-old.
This route.
Yeah, old Roman road. It's in really good condition, to be fair.
This is the benefit of having it open 2 months a year. It's not trashed every day.
Yeah, that's it. This is nice. I love these little archways. I love these little tunnels though, they're so good.
Yeah, a little
Weaving in there.
round every corner.
Yeah.
Definition of a green lane, eh?
Yeah.
The tannins in the water.
Yeah. Lovely colour, isn't it?
Chocolate.
Yeah. Cheers, Tom. You got it. Wow, absolutely fantastic. It's getting cold in here now, but it's absolutely beautiful. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's great. Section coming up.
Here for this one?
Yeah. Ooh, it's interesting. What's your arm now, look?
It's a prickly.
Oh, that's a spiky one. Yeah. Ooh, let's stop here.
Slippy rocks.
Now this looks a really good bit. Pretty steep. Big rocks. Let's see how the guys get on with this section. Nice big rock climb there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, fair play. Woohoo! Nice. Just move a bit closer. Should get a good shot now. Whoa. This little thing just scrabbles over everything. She's struggling a little bit. Fair play, it's doing alright. Keep the momentum going, keep it going. That's it, he's got it. Yes. Alright, okay. So smooth. This is incredible, absolutely wonderful. The guys loving the lane, we're loving it. Absolutely fantastic. And the best bit, we haven't met anybody else on the trail today, so it's all to ourselves, which is really good. But yeah, it's a really good climb. Loads of rocks, good bit to keep us on the toes. You know, keep the boys bit of fun.
For years it stones are so small as well.
Yeah. Look at them, they're tiny, aren't they? Tiny little slates. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, led the way then.
With St Helen, it cuts through the Walters Arena, which obviously they do for the rally stages, and King of the Hammers, all the off-road sort of challenges and things, and even the BBC Top Gear's film being filmed there as well. So we're just heading across there now, and in the distance there you can see the Black Mountains. So yeah, the views are spectacular, and the sun's coming down, and it's getting freezing. It really is cold. And Mike's put his roof back on too.
And the views are absolutely amazing. The views are something special up here. And look at that. Absolutely fantastic. What a day. What an evening. How we doing? Hold on. Just the balance, really. Honestly. Wow, the sun is so nice. Yeah, which way do you go?
I imagine they'd probably use this spot anyway.
Yeah, the wall's on the right hand side, so I guess we'll go up.
The left.
Yeah, go to the left. Oh, hang on, there's a little marker. Where's that? Where's the left? Oh, yeah. That's it. That's that red one right there. That's quite tricky to see, isn't it? At least you're always talking.
Road bikers there, pal.
Yeah. Nice to have a bit of company on the lanes.
You get these, you enjoy their two-stroke stint now as you're driving along.
Oh yeah, got a wheelie on the go.
You know, so you guys know that we like our technical stuff and some of the challenges and things that we come across when we're doing these trails, but this is going to be one of the best trails we've done so far this year. It's fantastic for views, for the colours, and just it's so good. Really is such a nice track. and hasn't been filmed by us before, so it's the first time on the channel as well, so you guys get to see it, and I really hope you enjoy it as much as we have.
Wow. Hey, we've both been stuck on a rock now.
Look at the size of that thing. That's massive when you see it like this. Let's get some speed as well. Wow. That's right.
Now here it was so cold. I mean, obviously from the wind turbine, but in the woods, so I'll get the dip just here. It was freezing, and yeah, I should have brought an extra top with me. It was really cold, and I think on the temperature gauge on the Jeep, I think it was down to like 8 degrees. So yeah, it's really cold for, you know, for June. It's crazy.
Freezing up here now. I think it's a summer's day. Woo. Man, it's absolutely freezing up here as well. Woo. That's a nice cross-axle section just there. Looks pretty amazing with the wind turbine in behind. Nice one.
This part of the track now is a bit where they do the rally as well, so obviously the rally cars come along here. No motorsports taking place today, which is good for us, but yeah, it's been a really good adventure. Really has been good. Right, so we've got a good photo and video opportunity here. We've got all the guys lined up so we can have a look at all the vehicles that are taking place today. And we've got a nice bit of rock to drive on there. And look at this. Fantastic.
That's spot on, that is. That's brilliant. Well, there we are, guys. We've just done the St Helen track, and absolutely fantastic. All the guys loved it. It's bloody cold up there, but it's really good. And we've got some nice mosaics here, so we can have a quick look at this, and then that's the end of the video. So this is the start of the where the Roman road is. Yeah, so it goes from Neath all the way up then up to Pump St, and then we'll have a look inside them. So this is the mosaics for the Roman road. And it travels all the way from south to North Wales. That's pretty good.